Okay, remember that little bitty clip I told you about? Well, here it is. If you could see that. And it goes right here on the rack lever. Which it is. And that way the rack is able to drop. With a bigger clip, it wouldn't be able to drop. So we got that. And now I want to do a function test. I got the cam back on. The wire is not exactly where I want it to be. Do another function test. There. Now the wire is out away from the teeth and the tab fits underneath the rack. That's the way it's supposed to be. And I already know that the escape wheel is working properly. So now it's time to I got the wire back in on this shaft right here. Remember, I was telling you couldn't get the snail off, and that's because there's this wire that goes in this shaft. Now it's time to put the bell on, which takes this nut right here. Do another function test. The lift lock lever, the lift lock lever is not working properly. So I'm going to have to take it all back apart because it's not striking on the half hour. But that bell sounds good. See, that should have been the half hour, but it's not lifting the never mind, I just had to put pressure on it, so it's doing its job. So I'm happy with that. So I'll do a couple more. The wire is still, it's not bent in the right spot because it's not allowing the rack to go all the way down. So I'm going to bend that wire some more out of the way. I don't believe I have the cam just right, because it's not lifting the teeth. So I'm going to fix that off camera. It's hard for me to video, because I got the video camera right here in front of me and I'm looking over the top of it. It's hard for me to do this on camera.